indirectல a few examples பார்க்கலாம். இங்க சில examples எல்லாம் எழுதியிருக்கேன். We have to change the sentence from direct to indirect. He said to me, comma, will you meet me tomorrow? He, same he, said to is changed into ask. As it is a question, you are changing ask. He asked me. He asked me. This is the first part. This one is the second part. So, as it is started with yes or no question, you have to write if or whether. You have to write if or whether. So, here I am using the word if. If is a connecting word joining the first part and second part. If it is a connection word connecting first and second part. Next, take the subject first. What is the subject is here? You. You always see the second one. I always see the first one. You always see the second one. He, she, it, no change. So, who is here? Me. So, you cannot write the me. It will change into I. அதாவது யூ எப்போதுமே செகண்ட் பார்ட் தான் பார்ப்போம். இந்த செகண்ட் பார்ட் யார் அப்படின்னா மீ. மீ அப்படியே எடுத்து எழுத முடியாது. மீ என்ன ஆகும்? ஐ ஆகும். He asked me whether or if I. Next will என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா would ஆகும். Will என்ன ஆகும்? would ஆகும். Next after that you have to write only present tense. இதை நீ மாற்றக்கூடாது. மிஸ் இது மீட்டாக இருக்கு, ஏன் மெட்டா மாற்றணும்னு சொல்லி மாற்றக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா இந்த உட்டுங்கிறதுக்கு அப்புறம் எப்போதுமே ஒன்றா வரணும், மீட் தான் வரணும். ஸோ again it is me. Me is changing. He asked me whether I would meet him. It is equal to I. Me is equal to I. I always see the who? First one. Who is the first one here? He. So he என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா himma மாறும். He என்ன ஆகும்? himma மாறும். He asked me if or whether I could meet him. Tomorrow என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா the next day. Tomorrow change into the next day. Okay. It is a rule. First one. Next, let us see the second one. Raja, Raj, the same one. Said to என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா asked ஆகும். ஏன் அப்படின்னா இது கேள்வி வாக்கியம். ஏன் இது கேள்வி வாக்கியமாக இருக்கனால said to is changed into asked. Next, studies the same studies. Okay, first part is over. You are connecting the first part with the second part. Directல இருந்து இன்டைரக்டா மாற்றும் போதே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்ட்டையும் செகண்ட் பார்ட்டையும் கனெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இந்த கன்ஜங்ஷன் வேர்ட் என்ன? if. ஏன் இங்கே if எழுதுற? as it is a question type. Question type இருந்தால் if or whether. ஸோ நான் if எழுதுறேன். Next, take the subject first. இந்த subject யாரு? you. You always see the second one. Second one இங்கே யாரு? Sadish. Second one is a Sadish. இங்கே same Sadishன்னு எழுத முடியாது. Raj asked Sadish whether he are willing is a present continuous. Are willing is a present continuous. Present continuous என்ன ஆகும்? past continuous ஆகும். present continuous is changed into past continuous. past continuous வரும்போது as it is a singular. இந்த singular இருக்கனால was willing. whether he was willing. Next, to do the work. To do the work. So to do is after to you have to write only infinitives. இந்த do work டிட்டால மாத்த கூடாது. ஏனா to க்கு அப்புறம் எப்போதுமே present tense தான் இருக்கும். Suppose இங்க வந்து to ல வந்தா கூட it can change into did, but to is followed by, it is a to infinitive. to க்கு பின்னால எப்போதுமே present tense தான் இருக்கும். Next, மாலா said to என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா asked. மாலா asked விமல். இப்போ இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்ட்டையும் செகண்ட் பார்ட்டையும் கனெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு கன்ஜங்ஷன் வேர்டு இங்க எழுதக்கூடாது. ஏன் அப்படின்னா இது WH கொஸ்டின். இது என்னது? WH கொஸ்டின். WH கொஸ்டினுக்கு நோ கன்ஜங்ஷன் வேர்ட். WH கொஸ்டினுக்கு என்ன? நோ கன்ஜங்ஷன் வேர்ட். அடுத்தது நம்ம என்ன எழுதணும்? வேருக்கு வேர் அப்படியே எடுத்து வேர்க்கு அப்புறம் டேக் த சப்ஜெக்ட். யூ ஆல்வேஸ் see the second one. Second one இங்க யாரு? மாலா. So மாலா asked Vimal whether she ஏன்னா நம்ம மாலான்னு அப்படியே சாரி விமல் whether he விமலை நம்ம அப்படியே எடுத்து எழுத முடியாது. You always see the second one. Second one is Vimal. So விமல்ங்கிறதுனால நான் இங்க என்ன எழுதியிருக்கேன்? He எழுதியிருக்கேன். மாலா asked Vimal whether he where he. Next did plus purchase. Did plus purchase என்ன அப்படின்னா do plus purchase is called purchase. Did plus purchase is called purchase. It is changed into did plus purchase equal purchase. இது என்ன டென்ஸ்? past tense. past tense இருந்தா என்ன ஆகணும்னா past participle மாத்தணும். past tense என்ன ஆகணும்? past participle ஆகணும். சோ இந்த past tenseல இருக்கிறத வந்து நம்ம past perfect மாத்தணும். சோ இந்த past participle என்ன? had plus third form of the verb. had plus third form of the verb. So past perfect ஓட structure என்ன அப்படினா past perfect structure is had plus third form of the verb. ஏன் இது நம்ம past perfect மாத்தணும்? past tense is changed into past perfect. past tense என்னவா மாறும்? past perfect வரும். இது did plus purchase is equal to purchase. இது என்ன tense? past tense. past tense இருக்கறனால இது நம்ம past perfect மாத்தணும். இந்த past perfect ஓட structure என்ன? had plus third form of the verb. So இங்க where he had purchased. Where he had purchased. Next one, this saree is changed into that saree. This saree is changed into that saree. Okay. Mala asked Vimal where. Next you are taking the you here. You always see the second one. Second one is Vimal. So I change this one into he. Next did plus purchase is a past tense. Past tense will change into past perfect. The structure of the past perfect is had plus third form of the verb purchase, purchased, purchased. So here this is changed into that saree. Next one. He said to Guna. She said to என்னவும் asked her. Said to என்னவும் asked her. ஏனா இது கேள்வி வாக்கியம். Next one Guna. He asked Guna. இது வந்து yes or no question. Yes or no question இருந்தா நீ conjunction word என்ன எழுதுவ? If or whether. நாம if எடுத்துக்கலாம். Whether or if. Next I always see the first one. I always see the first one. You always see the second one. He she it no change. இங்க யார் இருக்காங்க? I க்கு she. அதனால இங்க நம்ம அந்த she அப்படியே எடுத்துறோம். Okay. Did plus call என்ன ஆகும்னா called ஆகும். Did to call சேர்ந்து என்ன ஆகும்? called. முதல்ல நிறைய டைம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். Do plus call equal call. Did plus call equal called. Does plus call equal calls. இப்போ did to call சேர்ந்து called னா இருக்கு. called ங்கறது past tense. past tense ஆ இருந்தா நாம என்னவா மாத்தணும்? past perfect ஆ மாத்தணும். past perfect ஓட structure had plus third form of the verb. So இங்க நம்ம என்ன எழுதிக்கிறோம்? whether she had இங்க negative sentence ஆ இருக்கனால இங்க not எழுதிருக்கேன். whether she had not called. You always see the second one. So second one யாரு? Guna. Second one யாரு? Guna. குணாங்கிறதால she asked Guna whether she had not called him. என்ன இருக்கு? him. ஏன் him சொல்றோம்? You always see the second one. Second one Guna. குணாங்கிறது வந்து மேலா இருக்கறதுனால என்ன இருக்கு? நம்ம he change into him மாத்திருக்கோம். In the morning. So the answer for this one is she asked Guna whether she, because I always refer the first one, whether she had not called him in the morning. Okay, let us see the next one. My mother Set 2 is changed into asked. Set 2 is changed into asked. My mother asked my sister. My mother asked my sister. Conjunction word, no conjunction word, because it is a WH question. Because it is a WH question. Why only? My mother asked my sister why. Next one, you have to take the you. You always see the second one. Second one is what? My sister. My mother asked my sister why she. Next, are crying is a present continuous. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. Why she was crying. Why she was crying. The answer is my mother asked my sister why she was crying. You always see the second one. Second one is my sister. Instead of writing my sister, it is changed into C. Why she was crying. Okay. Next one. They. Set 2 is changed into asked. Set 2 is changed into asked. They asked Raj. They asked Rajesh. As it is a WH question, sorry, as it is a yes or no question, you are using the word if or whether. If or whether. Whether they asked Rajesh, whether. Next one, you. You always see the, I always see the first one, you always see the second one. Second one is what? Rajesh. Rajesh will change into she. They asked Rajesh whether he, do plus no equal no. It is a present tense. Present tense will change into past tense. Past tense is what? Knew. Whether knew, whether he knew him. Whether he knew him is the correct answer. Next one. Set 2 is changed into asked. I asked her. I asked her. It is the yes or no question. So you are using the conjunction word is if. If. You always see the second one. Second one is her. So I asked her whether she can solve is a present continuous. Can is a present tense. It will change into could. Can change into could. Whether she could solve this problem is changed into that sum. That sum. This sum is changed into that sum. Answer. I asked her whether or if she could solve that sum. No, she said. For that one, she replied in negative. You can say this one is a she replied in negative, or else you can say she said that she could not. You can, instead of writing this one, she said that she could not. Let us see in next class.